In this tutorial, we are demonstrating the tabletop technique of affixing the adhesive overlay to your RFID badge. Start by peeling off the new overlay badge from the backing. By bending the top corner of the overlay slightly and using your fingernail or an object with a sharp edge, separate the two. Then place the old badge with the long edge on top of a table and using one hand so your fingers overlay two short edges as demonstrated. Using your other hand, place the overlay on top of the table and bring the two edges so the RFID badge's edges align with the top two corners of the overlay. Then pinch the two badges together using your fingers as a guide, and the remaining portion of the badge comes together and the edges are flush. As you can see, this is a successful application of the badge overlay to your RFID badge.